Hi guys, let's start our analysis on Nifty, Bank Nifty, gold, silver, and currency. But before that, I would like you to go through this disclaimer that we are not responsible for any of your losses. This video is only made for educational purpose. Let's start. So here's Bank Nifty. I'm in the 1 hour chart, and what I see is a good support is being made. So if you see the 4 hour chart, you will see that the previous resistance has now become support. Okay, so it's a legitimate support. Second, if you see in 1 hour line, sorry, 1 hour time frame, the RSI has drastically reduced. It's come to 35, but it was at 26 from which it's gone to 35. I don't see any divergences, but if I have to do price action even on RSI, I think it is about to break. Okay. That means you can expect a small bullish movement in the market, which we also call as retracement. So you can expect little bullish movement. That doesn't mean the trend has changed. The correction will continue and go on. So in a 15-minute chart, the trend has gone drastic from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. And now it's time for it to go up a little. The resistances are being noted over here. This document is shared in the description, so you can take it from there. I have mentioned the support, resistance, and swing calls over there with the CPR information as well. So now let's go and see Nifty. Now, before we go to Nifty, let me remind you the CPR is very narrow in Bank Nifty. So you can expect some good bullish movement tomorrow. Let's look at Nifty. If I see the 4 hour chart, again, I see a legitimate support being drawn. So let's see that the previous resistances, okay, have become the support. The major trend is still downwards, but as I said, the micro trend, it will get a little bullish because the RSI is very low, even here in 1 hour chart. So that means the bulls will come as the price is now very attractive for them to take it up. There are resistances which I see, which are noted in the Google sheet, which you can refer. Okay. Over here, they are being mentioned. The CPR is again narrow, but more narrow in bank. Now let's see some swing calls in daytime frame. The first one is ITC, second is Godrej, and third one is Tata Chemicals. Now, I know you might think that the trend is down. Should this be a good point to buy? Yes, it's always a good market to buy. We are not under the pressure of COVID. This is just a correction that is going on, so don't get too bothered. Such corrections are always good opportunities to buy in good shares. So let's look at ITC and try to understand what is going on over there. My internet is running a little slow, guys. So I think that's why we are facing a little issue with TradingView. It's loading. Yes. Now, if you see the trend has been breached once over here. It tried over here, but it was unsuccessful, but it breached. Over here, the RSI will go. So have a look at it. This is still not into swing. It might fall down because we can see a noticeable resistance over here. So for a small 30, 40 rupees, this is a good one. And if you swing it, we have potential for more 30 rupees up to 361. Second one is Godrej. Also, do let me know in your comment box, how do you find the earlier swing calls given to you? They all may not have really riped up for you to make profits, but keep a note on it. I will have one session in which we will read out all the swing calls given till now and see how they are performing on a fortnightly basis. Now, if you see, a very big candle was made over here trying to break some kind of resistance. This is not a normal candle, and a huge range covered over here from 432 to 461. So definitely they're trying to break out, and the RSI is above 50. So please have a note that this can be another swing call. The resistance will be around 488. The third one is Tata Chemical. I find the chart of Tata Chemical very interesting. Uh, Good swing can come into that. If you notice the trend of Tata Chemicals, the price action that's coming over here is very good, very good. See the trend, it's fallen a lot from 1200 to around 948. And definitely this looks to be a candidate that's gonna break the trend very soon and go up. So this is still not ready to go up, but if you carefully see, this is going to go up. Okay. So that's why it is a swing candidate. The position is not ready to enter. But if you keep tracking and if you put it in your watch list, this will definitely give you good returns the moment the bull run starts again. So have a look at these shares, Nifty and Bank. Now, if you look at gold, it has faced resistance and it continues to give resistance on gold. A little bullish movement came, but that doesn't mean it's going to break the resistance. But from price action point of view, if something has tried to break the resistance 3 times, it is possible now that they will make this resistance as support very soon. So interesting numbers are being seen on gold. Around 55,000 is being tried to breach couple of times now. Okay. So if you see, if this continues, the channel that I have made, this will get broken at around 54. So 2000, if comes down, the RSI comes down, gold is in downward mode, or else small corrections here and there, and it will try to push upside. So that is what I'm trying to see. If it pushes, it's going to go really up now, because this is the third time they're trying to break this resistance. In silver, I don't see something like this. Definitely, it has respected the resistance and it is trying to come down slowly. But as I said, there is no reversal. It is just a small correction. RSI has bounced back from 50, so it has taken support. Again, they are trying to break over here. The same pattern that they have made in gold. So do watch. This is a cup situation that is coming in silver. And whenever a cup formation comes, they take retesting into consideration and then they try to break through. If they break through, then gold and silver are going to break their all-time high of last 2 years. So keep a note at this. There is nothing unusual in currency that I see. Else I would have given you information. Same trend, little correction here and there, but nothing unusual that I see in USD INR happening. You can do price action at a small level. We had given this information over here that it is respecting the resistance and it will fall down. So it is doing that. If you see, the levels are also clearly given between 83 and 80. So nothing unusual has happened in USD INR. That's it from my side. If you have a requirement for anything else, do let me know in the chat box. Please like, share, and subscribe, and do enter your comments as how this video has been helpful to you. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day and evening for you. Bye, guys.